Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. You are zoomed in a little bit because we are going to be doing a eyeshadow tutorial. I have a picture. I will insert it here. My friend Samantha, she sent me this picture wanting me to do this eye look. So I told her I would and I would make a video. I forgot to put the tape on my eyes, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I do have my eyelids primed and set. So first I'm going to go into my Beauty and the Beast palette, and I'm just going to take the shade Chip In, which is a matte vanilla, and I'm just going to run that over my lid. Even though I have them set with some setting powder, I just wanted to start off with this just to make sure everything is smoothed out good and we have a good base. Next, I'm going to go into the shade, also in my Beauty and the Beast palette, Inner Beauty, which is this really pretty, like, pink. And this is going to be my transition. I'm going to put that pretty high. Okay, and then I'm going to go into a very similar shade. It's just a little bit deeper. And this is Cupcake by Makeup Geek. You can tell I love this shade. And I'm just using that same brush, but I'm just going to concentrate it just a little bit lower. I'm not fluffing it up quite as high as I did with the shade from the Beauty and the Beast palette. So I'm taking the shade Wisteria by Makeup Geek, and I'm putting this into the crease, kind of high in the crease, but like I said, not as high as the other shades. We're just kind of gradually working our way down. Okay, so now I'm going to be going into my Morphe 35D palette, and I'm going to take this matte purple on a more precise brush. I've never used this shade, so I don't know how it performs, so we're going to hope for the best. But this is going to go right in my crease, and I'm not going to fluff it up. So now I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer, and I'm not going to apply this all the way up to the crease like I normally do. It's just really just going to be on this lid part because I want to really be able to see that purple. I don't want to cover it up. I'm going to take the shade, what am I going to take? I'm going to take the shade Pegasus. This is by Makeup Geek. It's actually a foiled shadow, which is a little bit different than the picture, but it's the closest I had in color. And I'm going to pat that directly on top of that glitter primer. And then I'm going back into that purple from the Morphe palette, and I'm going to deepen these outer corners. And just adding a basic winged liner, just using my e.l.f. liquid liner. So I'm going to go in with my Essence, the False Lashes Mascara. This is actually really good for lengthening, and it's only like $5, but I'm just going to go in with that. Okay, so just peeling the tape off. I'm going to do my face makeup off camera, and then I'll be back to finish up my eyes. Okay, so I have my face done. You can't really see her bottom lash line, but you can see on the inner corner that she does have black liner on the bottom, and then like an inner corner highlight. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. cream liner with a little brush, and I'm going to line the waterline and like kind of like put that little point in the inner corner if I can. I usually get messy with that, but we're going to try it. Okay, so far so good. Now if I can get this little that actually looks really good. Okay, so I'm going to do it on the other eye. Let's hope for the best. All I'm going to do, because I can't really see the bottom lash line. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the shade Cupcake on a small brush, and I'm just going to very, very lightly run that underneath. And now I'm going into my Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and I'm actually going to use this center shade. I'm wearing that highlight on my cheeks, but it's the ultraviolet amethyst one, and I'm just going to plop that right in the center and right here on the not center, the corner, and on the bottom lash line, just right on the corner. This is a really good bottom lash line mascara because of how like thin the wand is. Okay, so that is the look. How do y'all think I did? I think it actually turned out pretty good. It's not spot on because this is a more foiled shadow on my lid, and obviously I don't have the lashes. But overall, I think I did pretty good, and I actually like the way that it looks. Yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed. I love you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this look, and if you try to recreate it yourself, please leave me a link to a video or a picture or whatever, because as always, I would always like to check things like that out. But yeah, I thought it was a really fun look, and it actually wasn't too hard, so there you have it. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.